Hi JCC families, this is Elena Altman, JOFEE Director from the Louisville JCC. I am filming right now from my own house on my porch, and I'm getting my plants ready for the spring that's here. So I have a nice little aloe vera plant that I'm keeping right here outside. I have this plant, I'm actually not sure what it is, but I put it in one of my favorite bowls. I got some parsley, some moringa trees I started with seed, and then some herbs and succulents. So even though I'm a little trapped in my house right now, there's still a lot of fun things that we can do on our porch. And today I want to give you guys a fun example of how you guys can garden on your own porch. So I'm just going to flip to the side here, and I'm going to show you how to transfer a succulent plant to a larger container. So I have this small succulent here that has just been growing steadily in the winter time, but I wanted to get a little bit bigger, so I'm going to put it in a larger container. Here's the container that I'm transferring it to. So as you can see, I filled it up about halfway, and because it's a succulent, I got a rockier, high-draining soil. Here's the type of soil that I like to use for succulents. It has a lot of rocks in it to help the water stay through, or the water get through so it won't get too waterlogged. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep that nearby. I'm going to make a little hole for this to go into, like here. I'm going to take my plant, carefully pick it up underneath the leaves like this, and then I'm going to just gently place it in the pot. So where I have it now, the plant is safely on the top, but then there's no soil on the side. So I'm going to add the rest of my soil around the edges of the plant here. This will just take a few minutes or so. Go like this, so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here. Gently even and around the edges. And there you go. My succulent's very happy in its new container. And I hope this inspires you guys to try something new at home while the sun is out more and we have a little bit more time on our hands. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll be posting more videos of ideas and ways that you can get more green. So I'll see you all later.